Your expert advisor works perfectly on a demo account. It opens trades, it closes trades, everything works exactly as expected. Then you move it to a live account, and suddenly nothing happens. No trades, no obvious errors, nothing. Most traders immediately blame the EA, but in many cases, the EA is not the problem at all. There are four common reasons why an EA works on demo but stops trading on a live account. Let's go through them one by one. Reason 1: Auto trading permissions. Let's start with the easiest one. Your EA may be loaded correctly. It may even be analyzing the market, but it might not have permission to place trades. Check that auto trading is enabled. Then open the EA settings and make sure Allow Live Trading is checked. If either one is disabled, the EA can run all day without opening a single position. This sounds simple, but it catches more traders than you would expect. Reason 2: Broker restrictions and symbol names. Not all brokers use the same trading conditions. Some use symbols like EURUSD, others use EURUSD.pro or EURUSD.a. If your EA is looking for one symbol, but your broker provides another, no trades will be opened. The same thing can happen with minimum lot sizes, stop levels, or broker specific trading rules. The EA may work perfectly on demo, but the live broker rejects the trade request. Whenever your EA stops trading, check the experts and journal tabs first. They often tell you exactly what went wrong. Reason 3: Spread differences. This one affects many scalping EAs. Demo accounts usually have ideal conditions: tight spreads, fast execution, everything looks great. Then you move to live. The spread becomes wider. Now the entry conditions are never met. Or the trade becomes too expensive to open. The EA is still working, but the market conditions have changed. Before blaming the strategy, compare the live spread with the demo spread. You might be surprised by the difference. Reason 4: Risk management and account size. This is one of the biggest reasons EA fail on live accounts. Let's say your demo account has $10,000. Your live account has $200. The EA calculates position size based on account balance. Now the lot size becomes invalid, or risk settings prevent new trades from opening. The EA isn't broken, the account conditions changed. This is exactly why proper positioning sizing is so important. In fact, I have created a free risk management toolkit that includes a lot size calculator and risk planning tools. If you want it, you will find the link in the description below. It can help you calculate risk correctly before placing a trade. And if you want more MetaTrader troubleshooting videos, subscribe because that's exactly what we cover on this channel.